Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have here in front of me a Commodore 64. First thing I'm going to do after, opening it up and making sure everything looks to be there. This is the cord from a power supply. I will plug that in to a regular plug, and then I will take this, which is a 7-pin DIN. That's the plug that goes in the other end from Commodore 64 power supply. Now, this 64 did not come with a power supply, and that's okay. They're often, not to be trusted. So now I'll put that in. The power connector is on the right side. The video connector is right around the middle. And now it's time, the moment of truth. I will apply power. By the way, I did peek at the fuse. It looks to be okay. I will apply power. We see a flash. Ah, and up it comes. Commodore Basic. It does seem to have all the memory. It does indeed. So that is a good sign. I'm just going to move this shielding. Now, just quickly, while I'm here, I'm just going to put my fingers on all the chips and see if anything is getting particularly hot. And nothing seems to be getting hot, so it does seem to be happy and working, but there are other tests that need to be run. Stay tuned and see what we do next to assess and possibly certify this Commodore 64 as being good. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.